Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an AEG Lavatherm 56800. I've got it connected in. It's missing its start button. It was a street find. I think I've tried it already and it sounded like it started and then it just stopped immediately. So I'm not sure if it's working or not, but I've got some damp rags there that I want to dry, not those ones. It's quite a nice machine, quite a complicated, well, not complicated, but in the way Miele's built, that kind of way where you've got a door here for this thing, which I think I haven't cleaned yet. That's the condenser in there. I haven't cleaned it, but it's not blocked. It's not, well, it's a little bit blocked. And then you've got a filter in here, and you press this, and this opens up quite nicely, and then you can take out this screen, close it up again, and there's another screen in here. So you've got different air paths there. Reversible door, I think. It's got these fancy things there. There's a data plate, T56800. A big long number, PNC and serial number. People might be able to say what year it's built in there. I'd say it's early 2000s, just judging by the shape of it. Click that shut. Now I need something like a pencil to get it going, but what will I put it on to? I'll put it on for 20 minutes. Okay, so we've got drying, cooling, crease guard. Turn on and off crease guard, special care. Let's see what that does. Yeah, we can turn it on. Turn on the signal. Sensitive's flashing. Don't want to delay it. So let's say in here is the bottom of a button that's missing. So we're just touching straight on the board. Turns on, goes to drying. It did something, and then it just stopped straight away. It's still on drying. The pulsing you can see coming from that light is just in the camera. It looks like a constant light. Try it again. So it sounds like it's powering up and then it just dies. Oh, it's flashing again. Start it again. So what I wonder maybe is going on there, it sounded like a motor was starting and wasn't driving anything. Maybe there's a belt missing in there. Haven't looked into it yet. It's definitely not working now. So I need to do some digging. Not sure what I'm going to do with this machine. It looks nice. It's, you know, well, it looks nice. It's an old machine. It's got scuffs all around there and all up and around, and labels faded, and you can peel that off. It's gone a bit yellow. Hard to see in the camera, but the top of it is certainly yellow in colour. Let's turn it off again. Let's just try if we could do that one more time. Let's turn it to extra dry. And let's do this. Let's turn on this audible signal again. Turn it on, drying. Yeah, something's motor, sounds like a motor starting there. Something like that. And then it stops. Okay. Let's turn it off. Any ideas, put them in the comments. I'll probably take the lid off it. Come back to it in another video. I'm not going to do it right now. I've got other things on. Thanks for watching. See you later.